Okay, the general formula for the area of a cone or a pyramid is 1/3 area of the base times the height. But in the case of a cone, that area of a base is this pi r squared. That's that area of the circle. And so that's the formula that we have for number 1 and 2. So we have 1/3 pi r is 2 in this one, so 2 squared, and then the height is 6. So 1/3 pi, r is 4, and then times 6. So 1/3 and 6, 1/3 times 6, because 6 is evenly divisible by 3, is 2. So that takes care of the 1/3 and the 6, and 2 times 4 would be 8. So we get 8 pi, and then 3.14 times 8, carry the 3. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 3 is 11. Carry the 1. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 1 is 25. So we get 25.12 cubic yards. And on this one, 1/3 pi. You can put it in parentheses, but you don't have to. On this one, they gave you the diameter, so the radius is 10 inches. And the height is 25. So we get 1/3. I'm going to move my numbers to the front. 10 squared is 100, 25. So we're going to get 25 times 100 is 2,500, times 1/3 would be that. And on this one, I told you you could leave your pi in. On number 3, it's not number 3, it's number 5. I had them numbered wrong. 1/3 area of the base. Well, the base is a square, so it's side squared. So we have 9 squared, which is 81. So 1/3 times 81 times a height of 8 inches. 81 is divisible by 3, which is what 1/3 times 81 would be. It would be 81 over 3. It'll go 2 times, which is 6. 21 is 7, so it'll go 27 times. So 1/3 times 81 is 27, times 8, 56, carry the 5. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 5 is 21. And so we end up with 216 square cubic inches. And I forgot my unit down here, cubic inches. So moving on to number 4. And it's not number 4, it's number 6. Again, I had them numbered wrong. Same setup, 1/3. The area of the base that's a square. 10 squared is 100. Do we have the same base or did I draw the thing wrong? Nope, I didn't. So 100 and a height of 9. Okay, 1/3 of 9. 9 over 3, that's 3. You could have seen here that it would cancel. So I get 3. 3 times 100 is 300 cubic feet. And then 9 and 10, here's your formula for the area of a sphere. On both of these, they gave you the diameter, so you need to find the radius. So we get 4/3 pi. Again, you don't have to put it in parentheses. Times 5 cubed. 5 cubed means 5 times 5 times 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. Times 5, carry the 2, would be 125. So we have 4/3 times 125 times pi. So this is like this. So 4 times 125 20, carry the 2, 8 plus 2 is 10, carry the 1, 4 plus 1 is 5. So I get 500 over 3 pi, and that's how we're going to record that one because this fraction right there is going to be it's going to be a repeating decimal. And then on this one, r is 1. 1 cubed is just 1. So we get 4/3 pi cubic yards. And I told you on these that you could keep your pi in. So the only one that you actually had to do the multiplication on with the pi was number 1.